You know what's really awesome about loaded fries? You really can't mess them up. You could load them up with whatever you want. There's two problems with loaded fries. One, they get soggy. And two, usually they're loaded with crap. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make the healthiest, crispiest loaded fries you've ever had in your life. Hey friends, my name is George Gianaris. I'm a chef of 35 years, and if you're here, it's probably because you like to eat healthy, save money, and cook like a pro. And I'm gonna teach you how to do that on this channel. So hit that subscribe button. It helps me immensely. And if you tune in every week, you're gonna learn something unique, and it's gonna make you a better chef, and you're gonna be much happier in the kitchen at home. You know what inspired me to make these really awesome loaded fries? A road trip. We started our trip a little late so we wouldn't hit any traffic. Haven't been stuck in traffic in a really long time. I really do miss this. The first leg of our trip started in Newfoundland, Pennsylvania. We spent our first day in a spa and resort called the French Manor Inn. There isn't much of a town in Newfoundland, but luckily, right across from our hotel was this awesome furniture shop. I'll take these two pieces.
Okay.
I'm in the process of putting together my test kitchen, and I've been looking for some big boards that I can cut up with a live edge for floating shelves. And boy, did I luck out. Don, the owner, was gracious enough to cut them down to size for me. His shop across the street has a ton of unique furniture, but what I really liked was this wavy, grained edge of two different types of wood that he combines together. Awesome. Got an early start the next morning, super excited to get onto the second leg of our trip. Binghamton. We visit our youngest son, Savas, and he suggests we eat at the Garage Taco Bar. Boy, was it worth it. That's where I found these awesome loaded fries. Start by adding equal parts turmeric, paprika, cumin, and then half the amount of granulated garlic. Salt to taste, and then give it a good stir. Now we're gonna add the cayenne, and we wanna add it in really, really light doses. And don't forget to give it a taste before you add any more. As you would imagine, in my restaurant, I have deep fryers. And here's a really interesting thing that I observed. Each one of those deep fryers holds about 35 pounds of oil, or about the equivalent of 4 gallons of oil. And I fry maybe 200 pounds of French fries in that oil throughout the course of the day. And here's the interesting thing. The oil doesn't go away. I mean, maybe I'll add a half gallon to it after I cook 100 pounds of potatoes in it, which makes me think that the oil doesn't really stick so much to the outside of the French fries. Here's the problem with fries. The oil encapsulates the fry, and it cooks it from the outside, almost creating a sear, trapping in the moisture. Now we love that because we have a nice crunchy fry on the outside and a nice moist fry on the inside. But the problem is that once the fry comes out of the oil and it starts to cool even a little bit, the moisture starts to escape, and then it just softens the fry. So by baking the French fries in the oven, you're allowing the moisture that's inside of the fry to escape. And that's why they come out crisper in the oven. Now, if you want to go an extra mile and really make them crispy, don't put them in the oven right after you cut them. Soak them in water with a little bit of lemon. The lemon will keep it from turning brown in the water, maybe half a lemon in your whole bowl. Keep that in the fridge overnight, and the starch from the fries will escape into the water. The next day, before you put them in the oven, you dry them well, and the starch that's in there is partially gone. So there's less moisture to keep inside of the potato because nothing is in there to hold it because the starch is out of the potato. Here, try this. Try these.
Oh. That's good.
I just want to really thank you for tuning in. Really appreciate you subscribing to this channel. Every week you'll get a little notification. Hey, it's free. You just hit that subscribe button every week, usually on Saturdays. I'll let you know that I'm releasing a new video. Thank you so much. See you again soon.